In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and remove duplicate entries in Microsoft Excel. If you've ever worked with a list of names, products, or IDs and suspected there were repeats, this quick walkthrough will help you confirm what's duplicated and clean it up safely. Start by selecting the range you want to check. Click and drag to highlight your table or list, including the headers if you have them. It's important to select only the area you want Excel to evaluate so you don't accidentally affect other parts of your sheet. If your data is already in a neat block, you can click any cell in it and then expand the selection as needed. To visually spot duplicates, go to the Home tab on the ribbon. Click Conditional Formatting, then highlight Cell's Rules and choose Duplicate Values. A small dialog appears where you can keep the default formatting or pick a different color to make duplicates stand out. Click OK and you'll immediately see duplicate entries highlighted in the range you selected. This view is great for reviewing which rows or cells are repeated before you actually remove anything. Once you've confirmed what's duplicated, you can remove those repeats. Click the Data tab at the top. In the Data Tools group, select Remove Duplicates. A dialog will open showing the column names from your selection. Decide which columns you want Excel to compare to determine what counts as a duplicate. For example, if two rows are considered duplicates only when both the name and email columns match, check those two. If you only care about a single column, check that one and uncheck the rest. This choice is important because Excel will remove entire rows where the selected columns match another row. When your columns are set, click OK. Excel will scan the selection, delete repeated rows based on your choices, and keep just the first instance it finds. You'll see a summary telling you how many duplicates were removed and how many unique values remain. If something doesn't look right, remember you can immediately press Ctrl+Z to undo and try again with different columns selected. A quick tip: conditional formatting is only for finding and reviewing duplicates visually. It doesn't delete anything. Remove duplicates is the tool that actually cleans your data. Consider saving a copy of your file before removing duplicates if you're working with important data. And that's it. Fast and effective. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads.